last year, that is 2020, they prepared a theme like for the frontline workers. Like they were GHMC workers, they were police officers, the people who helped society to improve in this COVID situation. That was a theme. Like they prepared a mouse, like the विनायक की जो सवारी है वो भी 6 feet के डिस्टेंस में था. They prepared a theme like everyone should wear a mask. Now we were wearing mask because of this interview. We have removed our mask. But these people from Future Foundation Society come with a new theme every year. Like this year 2021, they came with a theme like everyone should take vaccine and all.
Through a social message, I want to tell everybody, if all complete India is vaccinated, we can just throw corona out of India and we can make a new world record. And like Future Foundation Society is not only into Ganesh and all, it's a registered society and we are into so many social activities. As like last year in same Ganesh theme, we have made a Ganesh idol supporting the frontline workers. Like our Ganesha was in two models in a single idol, half of police and half of doctor, and Rat, which is a GHMC employee. So before that there was a launch of Chandrayaan 2. So we have a Chandrayaan 2 idol, and these all idols from 12 years made up of eco-friendly or else a special cause, which is like the sensation every year.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.